I don't think eagles sound like that. Eagles make that sound, right? It's like a screeching scream. All right, you guys give me some info if you see it. What we got on the right? Well, I'll get there after this rock.
Where you are must not be too bad.
Well, they got stuck somewhere, like I said.
They got stuck. Up against the canyon. I feel like it's up against the canyon.
All right, I'm turning us around. I don't know, guys. This seems just to be everywhere. Hold on. Am I moving at all?
No.
None?
None. Let me go.
Oh, I see what we're on, Dad. Okay, hold on, Dad. I got an idea. Look, come here. There's the rocks right here. So we can either swing it around that way or that way. Probably that way, right?
I don't know. The rock's right there.
It's right here. Right here is where we're stuck. Right here. Hold up, Bobby, don't get out.
I'm not getting out.
Okay.
I might be able to kick this around to the right.
We'll try it.
I got a rock up here.
Okay.
Brother, watch out.
I'm not going to get out either. I'm going to do the same thing.
Well, we got to go this way. Dad.
Just around that way.
I'm all right, though.
All right.
I think I can do it.
I'll help you.
We got another rock right there. Hey, brother.
Just leave it there, then.
I don't have my oar in, guys. You all right?
All I was doing was getting my weight out of the boat just a little bit.
Okay. I thought you were falling.
No, I mean, I was a while ago.
Okay, can I grab you?
Yeah. So we should have put these rocks up.
I see where we should have gone now. It's funny, you can't really... What's going on up here?
Eagle.
Oh, I thought we were looking at rocks. Hold tight.
Where you going?
There's a big rock coming up, y'all. I wish I would stop looking at birds and worry about the rocks.
Toward the bank, Joe, toward the bank.
Toward the bank?
Yeah.
All right. Which, the cliff or the bank?
Clear. Toward the bank. Yeah, he was trying to waterfall there.
Damn, I think I might have pulled a muscle or something.
Uh-oh, Joe. Did you really?
I don't know, I'm hurting. I'm all right.
All right, Bobby, good job.
Yeah, I guess.
You okay?
Yeah.